everybody! Well, mahilig ba kayo sa salad? You love salad? Kasi ako, mahilig din ako sa salad kasi kailangan we need healthy food. So, I will share my simple salad recipe. Okay? And gagamitan natin yan ng favorite kong Kewpie Roasted sesame dressing. Ito, favorite ko to sa salad. Okay, very simple lang. And syempre, may corn. Sasamahan natin ng corn, lettuce, and iba pa. Okay, so sa mga mahilig sa salad dyan, watch nyo na yung episode natin and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click the bell and feel free to comment. Ayan, there you go. Ready na yung ating pang-recipe for my salad. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa at very healthy to. Talagang nire-recommend ko na kailangan kumakain tayo ng healthy food because salad and healthy food is great for our body. First, we have cucumber. May pasas tayo, raisins, and then our lettuce, feta cheese, white cheese, yung paborito ko to, and corn. Yes, mahilig ako sa corn. And then, boiled egg and tomato. Syempre, ito ang pinaka-dressing ko. I love this one, Kewpie from Japan, roasted sesame. Yes, it's ready. Ito na yung ating salad. Very healthy. Sana may natutunan kayo at nagustuhan ninyo yung salad ko. Yan, another salad ideas. Well, thank you for subscribing and watching to my channel and for this episode. Okay? Voila!